And a judge today threw out the conviction of a retired priest. Father Hugh Lang will soon get a new trial. KDKA investigator Andy Sheehan explains how this case is related to embattled Judge Mark Tranquilli.
After being convicted by Judge Tranquilli in December, Father Hugh Lang will be getting a new trial, and he may not be the last Tranquilli defendant to get one. Today, Common Pleas Judge Anthony Mariani overturned the conviction handed down by Tranquilli that Lang had molested an 11-year-old back in 2001. Mariani ruled that Tranquilli had allowed evidence that should have been inadmissible and convicted Lang on a felony charge that was past the statute of limitations. Quote, "I'm ordering a new trial," he said from the bench. "I do not believe that this was a fair trial." After handing down that verdict in December, Tranquilli was reassigned to administrative duties last month after we first reported that he allegedly referred to a black woman juror as, quote, Aunt Jemima. President Judge Kimberly Clark has at least temporarily removed Tranquilli from the bench and had reassigned Father Lang's case to Judge Mariani for sentencing. But now other Tranquilli rulings are also in doubt. Today, the district attorney's office confirms that since Tranquilli's removal, 2 other defendants recently petitioned for their Tranquilli convictions and sentences to be thrown out under what's called the Post-Conviction Relief Act. So-called PCRA petitions offer relief to defendants who can prove they were denied a fair trial. The district attorney would not disclose the specific cases or whether they allege racial prejudice on the part of Judge Tranquilli. But last month, Judge David Cashman ordered the release of more than a half-dozen probation violators that Tranquilli had placed in the county jail. Are you finding that they were in there, without cause or improperly?
I wouldn't say improperly. I'd have a difference of opinion as to whether or not I would have put them in.
Now, the district attorney's office disagrees with Judge Mariani in throwing out Father Lang's convictions and says it will be appealing that decision to Commonwealth Court. In the meantime, more appeals of Judge Tranquilli's convictions and sentences are expected. I'm Andy Sheehan. Stacy, Susan, back to you.